What is it?
Piggy.
A piggy.
Another piggy.
Wow.
Another piggy. Another piggy.
I can't believe it.
Wow, she's gonna love that.
Drop, drop, drop. She's not dropping.
Well, she just got it as a present, honey. She's excited.
I want to get the stuff.
I'm going to come over and play. I like this.
Was that fun, Emma? Good girl.